Imagination's instrumental, cerebral. Cortex is obsolete. Doctrine, if you're trying to test me, hey, yo, what's smack?
This is gonna be a great day. Today we're gonna be filming a few friends' cars.
It's dirty.
Josh Shoemaker.
What's up, everybody? It's dirty. Don't mind it.
It's alright, bro. Your car's yelling at you, bro.
I know, it's fine.
Drive by right now.
Sponsored by Sunny D.
Got the Sunny D hookup. It's bringing me back, bro.
I know, man.
You got a little good setup there, bro.
FTB. This is actually like a suction cup. Like, I'm improvising right now.
I wish it was a little longer down there so you could have kept it going.
Well, I can't. I can only do it for like half a second. And then
no,
it just...
I'm saying like the length was so you could have kept your pull going, you know?
Oh, okay.
What is up, YouTube fam? It's your boy, the White Wizard 86, back to bring you another addition to the channel. Here we got some friends with us. We got some guests. Actually, I'm the guest because I'm in his car. We're riding in a Honda right now. We're reviewing Shu's car. This is Josh Shoemaker. This is my friend Steve Deleleleleleyes. I don't really know how to say your last name, but I like to animate it. So here we go. We're about to review this shit.
Snoop Dogg.
You know what I'm saying? We got all the decals. You know, it's all riced out as best as it can be right now. So we love it because it's a Honda and it's part of the JDM family, and that's what we're all about here.
You gotta push your foot on the brake, and then
all right, yeah,
push down.
I got that part, buddy, but I just didn't know where the fucking shit was because it's not Subaru, you know. But wow, oh, so that's what that noise is.
Yeah.
Okay, so
It's
that's
my
cool.
bags.
That's really cool. The e-brake is a button that you push down, so it's not your traditional button and lever, so that's really cool. A lot more things on the steering wheel than the BRZ. I like it. It makes me feel like I'm kind of in a spaceship. All right, it's got a good throw. Ooh, sounds good. Ooh. Sounds really good.
Yeah, the red paint is pretty bad.
Take it out to the street, man.
Yes, that's what we're gonna do right now. I don't really condone child abuse, but today
You better buckle up, motherfucker.
we about to beat on some stuff. Is this front wheel drive?
Yes, it is. The shift knob's from Likewise out in Australia.
Yeah, I definitely need to upgrade my shift knob. Like, I do like the feel of it.
There's a cop right over there, so for not to get
I gotta get used to your clutch, bro.
oh, I know.
Try not to ride it. Oh, the pops. Oh, the gurgles. Oh, that sounds really good. What do you have done at the exhaust? You're like,
So it is a muffler delete for the resonator delete, but the muffler delete has a 3-inch truck pipe.
okay. All right, that's different. That's really different.
Yeah. And I've got the PRL Stage 1 intake.
PRL Stage 1 intake?
Yep.
Okay.
It came out to be $180 for the exhaust and intake. Exhaust and intake.
That, I would say that's worth it, guys. That's one of the biggest things I want to promote on my channel is cost-effective mods. Like I said in my last video about the clutch spring removal, you know, the biggest factor was the fact that it was free. It didn't cost you a thing. You know, we're all on a budget, guys. The moral of the story is go for mods that are cost-effective. Like, if it doesn't cost you much and it gets you a big result, go for it. Like, that's the biggest thing. So, it's got a good tone. It's got a really good tone. It's got a little bit of torque steer. I feel it a little bit. That's okay, you know? That's the life of a front-wheel drive car. I'm not used to that. I felt like it was trying to take me into another lane. I'm like, no. Is that guy on the scooter okay? See, you have a sunroof. I would literally go Bam Margera style on my BRZ. I swear to God. I want a sunroof, dude.
There's a turbo GTO.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a 0 to 60 pull.
All right.
Damn, this is Damn, dude, I'm not used to that, man. Like, I'm used to the BRZ, dude. This is my first time really driving a Honda. Like, I kind of drove Steve's a little bit, but I think that was before you went F5, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely.
You never know.
Pop in the hood. All right.
It's all stock.
It's okay, man.
PRL stage 1 intake.
Okay.
And then I've got the Serimoto clutch line. Shout out to Mishimoto hooking me up with this Mishimoto oil catch cam back there.
Okay. Mishimoto, the sponsor. Shouts out to the sponsor.
Yeah, that's about it. Oh, and 91 and up. Go follow them.
Hey, man. That's 5 horsepower right there. So
25.
Oh,
banner.
Cause it's a banner. He had to correct me. He had to correct me because that is a fact.
Yep. I got 2017 Honda Civic SI, 1.5 liter turbo.
Okay.
Thing picks up and goes. It moves.
So what do you tell all the ladies when they're just like, damn, like can I sit on your lap while you drive?
Oh, that's a funny story. So, I was talking to some girl and we were talking about cars.
2 hours later.
I told her I drove a Civic, and that was the last time I heard from her.
Oh, wow. You know what? You're too good for her anyway. So
Civics don't get you girls. They end up getting you dick.
hear that, guys? Don't get a Civic.
Just
get a
kidding,
BRZ. Get an FRS. Get a GT86. Because
you're gonna be slower,
but you're gonna look better, and that's the point here. No, I'm just playing.
No, you're not.
Viewers been asking for it.
Yeah.
Since the
There it
last
is. We're trying to show up Justin Timberlake.
Janet.
Jackson, yes. I couldn't think of her name, dude.
3-inch truck pipe though. So. I'll take
Okay, I
it.
see. 3-inch truck pipe. I see the piece. Okay. Alright.
No, not by the fucking impound. Ain't happening.
Yeah, dude. I'll just stand right at the police station, and you can just fly by real quick.
No.
Yeah. By the police station?
Yeah.
Okay, I'd be okay with the flyby if it wasn't by the police station. Steve over here instigating.
You want me to film some shit on the way back just in case?
Yeah.
Man, motherfucker, you got a quarter in here the whole time.
Holding out on the brother, man.
Oh, thanks, man.
Alright, so where's your reverse?
All right. Oh, put it in the clutch.
My bad.
Hey, I even got a backup camera.
Oh, really? See, I'm sick, bro. I thought the BRZ came with a backup camera.
I think it's pretty wild. This has basically a stock exhaust on it. I mean, muffler, resonator delete. Well, he was one of the first ones that I've seen to do the muffler and resonator delete. A lot of people do the muffler deletes, but
Or they do just a resonator delete and that's it.
I think that's why it sounds like that. From the cat's back, at least.
Ooh, that was an intake right there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I heard it. Oh, that was nice, bro. That was nice. I like that. Dude, I should get an intake. What is it, short ram? Or
Yeah, pretty much.
Back seat ain't the most spacious, but it works. Fit a couple of your boys back here.
Getting.
this is cool.
What up, buddy?
Let's stop moving.
All right, love you. Bye.
That's his boyfriend, Derek. They like to touch tips. It's okay.
And touch buttholes.
Oh,
I think that was 5th gear.
fuck.
Dude,
It's okay.
straight up missed third.
Yeah.
Third and fourth. Whoa! Good though. You were at 56 when you shifted in 5th.
At least I didn't go back into first. At least I didn't hit the money shift, bro.
It wouldn't let. I hope it wouldn't let you.
Oh my god, at least I didn't hit the money shift, bro. This is, see, it's very different from the BRZ because
Beautiful.
the BRZ is very tight. Like, I don't know, the gearbox, it feels very loose. It feels like there's a lot of play here.
Oh, there is.
You know? Like, so like,
But that's what happens when you beat on it fucking every day, doing 120 on the way to work.
if you could motor swap to any motor, what would it be?
Right now?
Yeah.
Or like just any motor in general?
Any motor in general.
RB26.
It's got VTEC.
No. Fuck VTEC.
Oh! Shots fired.
Just kidding. VTEC's awesome. All my boys got VTEC.
I feel like this doesn't need a VTEC.
Oh,
I mean, it could use it, but
Yeah,
every car could use a little bit something else. From like a consumer standpoint, you know, this is a great car. Sporty, it looks good. You know, it's quick. It's affordable.
31.7 miles to the gallon with beating on it.
Right, great gas mileage.
And I need a new clutch. Whatever you do, guys, don't let Keenan drive your car. Don't let White Wizard 86 drive your car.
He's not doing good, man.
I know, he drives better than I do.
The thing about these too is that you can just fucking beat on them, man.
So I made it right there.
No, you can make it right down
shit.
here. Oh, fuck. I'm not even gonna say it because that would be bad. I watch my mouth.
Bro. There's a blind spot right there. I looked. He was in there. And then...
Yeah, you gotta do
Hey,
the shoulder.
I'm gonna show you something cool.
Now we got
Get
Paul.
over to the wiper area, and now push the button right in the middle of it. Now look over here.
Oh, that's fucking fresh.
The blind spot camera.
Yep. Shit,
the mirror.
awesome.
That's
I use it to
I
look
like
at.
that.
I use it to look at the people's headlights when I'm passing them.
How do you change it to either side? It's just one
No,
side?
it's just the right side.
Can you make it go off every time you hit the blinker?
Every time that you hit that button.
I like that. See, that would have come in handy.
But
I would just hit that every time.
Yeah, it would have came in handy.
You should get the panoramic mirror, bro.
no,
Why?
I'm not rice.
You are rice. Are you kidding me?
Oh,
You're so rice.
well, good thing at least one of us was paying attention in that. That guy in the dart was paying attention.
Oh, there's a big pile right there.
There's a big curb right there too. You better watch yourself.
I got this shit, bro. Listen, I drive your car better than you drive your car.
Oh shit, y'all sound like bitches up there, man. Bunch of fucking
Get
racers.
apart.
Oh damn! Look at that Civic.
Yeah. Look
Should
at
have
that.
done a review on that.
Except that one's broken all the time.
Hey, when it looks like that, it's usually broken.
And it still lays down the gap. And that shit looks good in that fucking rear view.
I lost my black card like 4 times. I've got a limited amount of revoctions, so I'm good.
He's good for life.
For life.
Right now, we're just doing some back hill run. We want to get some flyby shots.
Yeah, we're done too, so just come pick us up.
Go, 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 get in.
Oh shit.
What would you rate it, you know, out of 10?
Probably good 8 out of 10.
Okay, that's fair, and that's what I was thinking too. So that's, you know, for you guys out there who are thinking maybe like a first car, pick up a Civic Si. Perfect for you, sporty, affordable.
Coach is easy to learn how to drive stick in. If,
Right.
if you want to learn how to drive stick, this is the car for you.
Exactly. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. It's been a pleasure. You guys take care. We will see you guys in the next vid, in the next installment on this channel. You guys stay tuned. Subscribe if you guys have not already done so. Please hit that sub button.
Follow me on Instagram, FC3_shoot.
You trying to scrap right now, bro?
Listen. You don't want it. I mean, he ain't stopped. I don't know why he ain't stopped. Look at this fresh meat on the street. What the fuck he ain't stopped for? I don't know.
Oh my god, I got half a chump.
Half?
That's not like you got a full.
Where's the other half?
Can I? No.
Do your dance. That's a great shot, dude.
Love you, man. Be safe, bro.
Don't die.
Whoa, you didn't let me do that.
I like it. I love it. I want
Love you.
Love you too, bro. Steve Delays.